Hi and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I am going to teach you how to fix GCash internal server error. Make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you won't miss an important step or information. And without further ado, let's get on it. So I'm going to show you some troubleshoot to do in your or to do with your GCash app. So the first thing that you can do is to change your network connection. To do this, just force close the app in your list of opened apps and switch on the airplane mode for 30 seconds and then turn it off. And connect to a different Wi-Fi network or switch your network connection. So this is if you're using a Wi-Fi connection, you just switch to mobile data, and then if you're connected to mobile data, switch to Wi-Fi. So try opening the GCash app after doing so. And then if the problem persists, what you can do next is to force close and restart the GCash app. So you can follow the steps right here based on your device. So for Android, just tap the recent apps button and look for GCash and swipe it to the side until it disappears to close the app. And for iPhone, just double press the home button or swipe up on your home screen and look for the GCash screen and swipe up until it disappears to close the app. And the next what you can do is to clear app cache. I'm sorry, so clear app cache. So this is for Android only. So launch your settings and then go to the app manager and then simply tap GCache and then go to the internal storage. And then after that, tap clear cache. And then lastly, what you can do is to update your GCash app to its latest version. So you can view your app version when you open the GCash app login and check the bottom of the screen. And then check the Play Store or App Store if a GCash update is available. And if an update is available, you can just go ahead and install it or download it into your device. And so that's it for this video, and I hope this helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.